Welcome to Friday Frameworks, where we unpack strategies to transform your business every week. I'm your host, George Mayfield, business advisor, speaker, and strategist, here to empower you with actionable insights. In this series, we're focused on laying the foundation, and today's episode is Series 4 of 7. Our topic, the art of subassembly optimization, techniques to align your subassemblies with larger manufacturer needs. Whether you're in manufacturing, supply chain, or just curious about how to build better systems, this episode will give you key takeaways to set your operations up for success. Before we get into the tips, here's a quick story to set the stage. A few years ago, I worked with Ethan, the COO of a mid-sized manufacturing company. Ethan's team was producing high-quality subassemblies, but they struggled to meet the unique specifications and schedules of their biggest clients. Missed deadlines and mismatched parts were costing them their partnership. After a deep dive into their processes, we focused on optimizing their subassemblies by implementing a streamlined system tied closely to the demands of their largest clients. The results? Their on-time delivery rates jumped to 98%. Customer satisfaction soared, and they secured long-term contracts worth millions. The takeaway is here. Optimize your subassemblies isn't just about improving your processes. It's about making your business indispensable to your clients. You don't want to just meet their needs, you want to exceed them. So here's what you need to know. Did you know that aligning subassemblies to client milestones can cut production delays by up to 40%? When your output syncs seamlessly with the larger manufacturer's schedule, you're not just another supplier, you're a trusted partner. You will get higher retention rates if you map your subassembly processes directly to your manufacturer's quality standards. Use tools like precision calibration and advanced testing to ensure everything measures up to or exceeds expectations. How do you get stronger client relationships? By customizing your subassembly documentation to detail exactly how your parts will fit into their systems. This added layer of clarity helps streamline points of handoff, saving both sides valuable time. Would you rather risk late shipments due to disorganized supply chains, or create a just-in-time inventory system that aligns perfectly with your client's forecasts? The answer is clear. Invest in operational planning tools to improve inventory flow. You will gain a reputation for reliability if you use AI-driven analytics to predict potential issues early. Equip yourself with forecasting tools to ensure every subassembly reaches its client in top condition well before the deadline. Optimizing your subassemblies isn't just about improving internal processes. It's a strategic move to become an essential partner for larger manufacturers. When you align your timeline, quality standards, and workflows with theirs, you not only win their trust, but lay the groundwork for long-term success. If you're ready to take your subassembly optimization to the next level, visit me at imgeorgemayfield.com. You'll find resources, tools, and insights to refine your operations and grow your business. While you're there, connect with me and let's talk about how my Strategic Insights Toolkit can transform your business. Thanks for joining me in this week's episode of Friday Frameworks. Don't forget to tune in next week as we continue our Laying the Foundation series. Until then, remember, transformation starts with making the right decisions today. See you next time.